I'm in a 2009 Honda Ridgeline, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, you should see this lever that will pull. That'll release the safety holding the hood shut. If there's no tension at all in here, you might need to double check behind this plastic, make sure all the cables are attached. But we'll go up to the front. And you should see that the hood's slightly loose now, so you can fit your fingers in here. But from here, there's a lever. So I'm gonna push the lever and lift. So push and lift. And then there's a little arm here you can use to hold the hood up. Sorry for the camera work. There we go. And then this arrow shows you where it's designed to hold it up. This is what that mechanism looked like that I was pushing. So make sure there's no debris stuck in here that needs cleanup, nothing bent or broken. If it's really sticking, maybe some WD-40 to loosen it. And then same with the top, make sure nothing's bent or broken. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if that's crooked, that could cause issues as well. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.